making eggplant something. There's no name for it. We saw it on Pasta Grammar. So it's a chilled dish, but you basically cube up the eggplant and then you bake it with some goodies on it, like salt and stuff, oil, and then you continue making it. So we'll check back in when it's done being baked. Okay, they've been cubed up, salt, pepper, olive oil. I think it's 35 minutes at 425. We'll put the recipe in the description. Okay, eggplants are out. They are done being baked or roasted. Now we add this conglomeration, which is olive oil, red wine vinegar, crushed garlic, red pepper flakes, fennel seed, and one more item I can't remember, oregano. And that will be apparently, I don't know if it's dumped on there or if they're brought into...
They get mixed into it.
They get mixed into it, and then I think it's just chilled for a half hour or till cold. So an hour. And then it's delicious. Well, now that it's all done and been chilled in the bowl, take a look and see what this looks like. It's eggplants. It's actually pretty good, especially cold. There's a lot of a vinegar flavor, like red wine vinaigrette kind of flavor. There's a good bite to it. The chili flakes give it a heat. The longer it sits, the more heat you get out of them chili flakes. Fennel's an interesting flavor. It's kind of like a licorice almost, but it's not like candy licorice, but it's got that similar type of profile to it. Just put a pile of it on a plate or in a little ramekin like this. It's not that hard, and it's a good way to eat up an eggplant. It really is, it's a unique flavor. So, you know, make one as an appetizer maybe. It might not be good as a side dish unless maybe you're eating like dry rub chicken or something on the barbecue. It might be good that way. But yeah, it's an easy thing to do. My wife really likes it, so she makes it. We saw it on Pasta Grammar, so we will be linking that in the description, the actual recipe. And if you want to watch their YouTube video, it's very interesting too. So yeah, that's it.